68 missing number. So here we have given an array 3, 0 and 1. So here you can see 0 and 1 is there, but 2 is not missing, so we have to return that number. In another example, 0 and 1 is given. The total array length is 2, so the 2 number is missing over here. It should be 1 and 2. In another example, if you see from 0 to 9, the 8 number is missing over there, so we have to return that. Now let's try to resolve this problem. So here we have a 3, 0 and 1. The output is 2 is missing. For this, what we can do, we can find the total sum. So here the total length is 1, 2, 3. But if we do expected result for this, if we create a loop over there and try to find the overall sum, it's 1, 2, 3. So we can create a for loop from 1 till its length is 3, 1 till 3. So we get the output 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equals to 6, right? So this is the expected result, right? Expected result is this one. And currently in another loop, what if we current result is 3 plus 0 plus 1, which is equals to 4. If we subtract the 6 with 4, so here you can see this is the expected output. So initially we can create an expected result, and current result start with 0. Let's try first try to find expected result plus equals to I. So here we get the expected result from 1 till its array length. So it will give us 6. And in second for loop, we iterate through each element and simply add its value. So for this we can use I or j, whatever variable. Okay, we can do this nums array I, and in the end, once this loop is completed, we can return expected minus result. So as simple as that. Now let's try to do a code for this. Let result start with 0 and expected, so start with 0, and then we can do a for loop for let I 0 I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Here if you see, we were starting from 1 till 6, so here I should be from 1 to nums dot length. Expected result would be expected plus equals to I, and in the second iteration we can find from 0 till nums dot length. Here you can see we were starting from the I equals to 1, so it must go till nums dot length, like 1 2 3 1 2 3. In the same way, for nums we can do nums I, and in the end we can simply return expected minus result. Hopefully this works. Yeah, this one is working. And for expected result, we also have a formula. We can also utilize that one. So the formula for this would be, let's suppose n equals to n plus 1. So for evaluating, as you can see, let's take n equals to 3, because currently the length of the array is 3, 1 2 3. If we change n to 3, 3 plus 1 divided by 2, 3 plus 1 would become 4. 4 3s are 12, and 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. So we can also use a formula for this. It's a mathematical formula, or we can simply go with the for loop. So hopefully you get it.